So let's prompt generate a campaign with Plai. First of all, let's choose our platform. I'm just gonna go over to the Meta launcher. From here, on the top left side of the screen, you'll find the section where the magic happens. Now, remember, you must have filled out your brand context section first. If you have forgotten about any detail, you can access it by this edit button in there and just edit the product description, the brand colors, the language that you're advertising in, even the tone of your ad. Just remember to add it because that's how the AI learns about what your business is about. And once that is filled out, you can simply prompt, for example, a specific offer. So you can do simply 20% off, or first week free, or you want to showcase a particular side of your business, that's where you can do it. Then to the right, you have this media selector. This basically allows you to upload images of your product or service. You want to use raw images, meaning images without any headlines, without any logos or so on, because this is gonna actually add the headlines, the logos and everything in there. So you can upload your own if you want, you can generate them with ChatGPT, you can scan your website. So maybe we use one of these over here. I like this one with the snow, and maybe this one of these people on the mountain. And below that, if you don't have any images of your own, you can even use the Shutterstock license, look for example, ski centers. And in there, you'll find lots of high quality images ready to use for generation of those creatives. You then also have all the meta selection options. You just tap on confirm, and now you'll be ready to launch. Your next step should be tapping on this generate button, and that will start a twofold process. First of all, it will generate images and videos based on those raw images that we added with that select your media option from Shutterstock, or uploading them, or from your Instagram account, or from wherever, where it's gonna grab those raw images. It's gonna add some headlines, some descriptions, some music even, and your logo and so on to them, and generate some creatives for you to be ready to launch right away as soon as this finishes loading. So after that, it's gonna generate the whole campaign structure itself for your campaign to be able to optimize in the best way with AI. And then it's gonna generate the headlines, descriptions, your targeting, and everything that you need to be able to launch. Take a quick look at what was generated by tapping on this See Ad Combinations button on the bottom of this preview screen. So as you can see, it generates some videos in different sizes, in different for different placements. This one would be for, of course, vertical variations. And you also got some square ones with the images that you have chosen. You also get images done as well as videos in there with images from the bungalows that you're renting and so on. And of course, you can later on, if you want, open this selector, edit any of these, or even ask the AI to simply generate more with this button. So super quickly, it will just drop a few more variations in here for you to be ready to use for your ads. So you just select the ones that you want. Remember that you can combine them with other sources like Shutterstock, like the meme generator, like the AI avatars, or whatever you want to do in there. Now, as soon as this has finished generating, this is ready to launch. So this has generated the images and videos, the primary texts and headlines, even your targeting in here. And then you only have to check your goal-oriented section. In this case, we're doing traffic, so it's the website that we're aiming at. And then your budget, which is $10 a day currently, and you can simply launch, schedule, or draft your campaign. So let us know if you have any further questions or what you would like to see next. See you next time.